So that's what I'm waiting for. Ito namang Lady Knights talagang lahat working for them. They have good defense. They have yung mga powerful spikes. So everything is working for the Lady Knights.
Martin Javier with Cheska Rakrakin here in the broadcast. And again, no rust whatsoever mula dito sa Letran Lady Knights. They were off for a week bago sila naglaro ulit dito sa ating step ladder.
Wow. We were just talking about this. And Dolorito, again with the error.
Yeah. And again, LPU needs to figure things out. They need to do it quickly.
It most definitely looks like nerves to me.
Oh, again, a difficult first ball. Pero nagawa ng paraan ni Joan Laguna.
Laguna with a smart top spin attack. Targeting the donut hole in the middle. And that was a lucky break for them. You know, they don't want itong set na maulit na parang first set. Ayaw na nilang palayuin itong Lady Knights. Kailangan dikitan lang nila.
Again, LPU is coming off a big win against Arellano dun sa ating unang laban sa step ladder.
Natura off the block, pero mukhang nagre-reklamo pa.
Puntos na.
Yes.
Ayan. Natura is on her game today, and also this young lady, 6 points in set number 1 para kay Gia Makilang. Tulang. Estrelier to Martin. Lopez with the pass. Laguna. So much power on that down the line hit.
Yun ang hinihintay ko from the Lady Pirates, yung mga opener nila to give that output, diba?
Yeah.
And as you can see, no blockers at all. Natura just watching.
And statistically, when it comes to spiking, LPU, at least in the eliminations, is the overwhelmingly better team because they're number 2 in spiking, number 7 ang Letran. Ika-4 na puntos ni Judel Natura.
Wow, Natura off the hands of Dolorito. It was a good target for her.
This is one of her more efficient matches so far, at least in the beginning para dito kay Natura. Dolorito, nakabuelo na. Makilang was right there though. Martin sending it straight to the net.
Martin looking like she's opting to go down the line. Pero masyadong mababa yung pagkapalo sa bola and it went straight to the net.
Nakita mo dun yung hindi pa siya sigurado sa pupuntahan niya. Eh kailangan na niyang i-attempt. Yan, 3 apiece. Better start for LPU. Angel Ledesma on the quick.
Wow, targeting the long ball. Alam mo, napakahirap receivein niya na. Depensahan niya, napakahirap kasi ang haba eh.
Yeah.
And usually, kapag middle or magkukwik yung papalo, talagang medyo nakaharap kayo kasi naghintay kayo ng baon na palo eh. So that was a good target for her.
Kahit quick, no? Long ball. Oh! That's an overpass. Bumalik sa Letran. Puzon this time. Over to Jonah. Popped up by Martin. Judel. Oh! Natura with the help of the net.
Natura, alam mo, I don't know what to say because talagang halatang, pati yung mulak nasa side ng Lady Knights.
Napaganda ba yun para kay Natura? That's an error on LPU's side.
Rotational error committed by the Lady Pirates. And dito mo makikita kung gaano sila ka-rattled in today's match. Kasi this is simple errors
Yes, that's right.
na talagang dapat di na nako-commit. Because everyday yung ginagawa yan eh. Everyday yung pinapractice yung rotation nyo. And to commit an error from that.
Kumbaga sa kanila, nagsusunod-sunod, ano? Puzon. Tutulang. And Jaja Tulang scores.
Finally, an output from Jaja Tulang. You know, yung presence niya, hinihintay din natin. Not yung loudness niya because she's not loud. She's very composed, tahimik lang na player.
Yeah.
But yung output, yung spikes niya, that's where she makes a statement.
Precisely. Oh, this is another point. Estrelier able to put this one in.
Yeah, that was very basic for her. Talagang dinrop niya lang.
This is a very talented scoring setter. Itong si Nat Estrelier.
Yes. And ayun yung advantage ng tall yung setter
Yun,
mo.
on the taller side as well.
Ah.
Pio. Makilang. Kept alive. Santa Cruz. Free ball for Letran. Makilang. Drop. Track down. Dolorito down the line. Nandun si Nitura. 1-2 play. Is popped up. Silva was there. Oh, it is Estrelier
Yeah.
with another point.
And to continue, ayan po ang effect pag mataas or matangkad ang inyong setter.
Technical timeout on the other side. An update from Arlov de Jesus.
BL. Tapos I also hosted a show called Upfront. It's a lifestyle show for athletes. And then went on to do different gigs, non-sports gigs as well on television. Currently on 24 Horas right now. Game Changer. We also feature athletes and different activities there. So, yun. And now, here with GMA Synergy with the NCAA and on Game On. Okay.
Yung pala yung ending na. May I just say that as a friend and colleague of Martin, the thing I'm most proud about of this guy is when he hosts the red carpet of the GMA Gala. Para sa akin, you know, that's when you are at your best. You become the Ryan Seacrest of the Philippines when you're interviewing the likes of Ding Dong Dantes, the Senator Raver Cruz, Julian San Jose, all of the stars. And you're the guy. You came from sports. You are interviewing these stars. Man, props to you. Props
Thank
to
you, brother. Thank you, brother. Okay. You, Anton. Ito.
Siya pinaka-vet sa ating tatlo.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna
Get the
keep it.
vets.
I'm just gonna keep it simple. So I start.
The NCAA Women's Volleyball Tournament for the season. 99 nakausap ko nga ang isa sa mga top scorers last elimination round na si Jonah Dolorito from the Lady Pirates. She shared with me that this season is a redemption season for them, knowing yung last season 98 hindi raw sila pinalad na makuha ang championship title. At isa pa doon, dagdag pa rin dyan ni Jonah na ang isa sa mga advices na nagustuhan niya na sinasabi ni Coach Cromwell Garcia ay make your own someday, kasi nga daw ang someday niya ay makuha ang championship title. Sa kabilang grupo, Yen Martin, isa sa mga talagang umaarangkada sa Lady Knights, shared with me na small goals lead us to big goals, lalo na't walang madaling laban na ibibigay sa kanila ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Seska.
Maraming salamat. Arlov de Jesus. That's been the mantra of Coach O this season, in his first season in the NCAA, as Makilang sends that one to the antenna.
Yeah. The reason behind that is, nakatalikod siya sa bola pag mag-approach. She's running para makuha niya yung kanyang approach. Pero layo na pala ng hinabol ni Estrelier. And yung set, kaharap niya lang. So she was trying to make the best of it, pero kinulang ng konti. Oof.
Bunot yan off the bench ni Coach Cromwell. Itong si Faith de Guzman. And for Coach Cromwell Garcia, narinig natin from Jonah Dolorito, this should be the redemption season for LPU. And if they want to accomplish that, they gotta get through Letran first. So far, they are not responding.
Yes. Yung output, it's not
Oh!
translating to their want kasi makapako yung mga paa nila sa court eh. Nahihirapan sila humabol ng bola. They're having a difficult time getting that first ball pa lang.
It is almost the exact same start dun sa opening set natin, Coach Cromwell.
Tatapon tayo ng bola. Huwag nyo nga masyadong isipin yung mga bagay. Tiwala kayo dapat doon sa ginagawa nyo. Naintindihan? O, balik kayo doon sa system. Tapos, huwag tayo magtapon ng bola. Service na natin, binibigay pa natin sa kabila. Ha? Masyado tayo matigas.
Again, yeah, Coach Cromwell just reminding his girls to relax. Kasi talagang
Okay. Interestingly,
planted eh. Yeah.
interestingly, nung natalo sila ng isang set sa Arellano, yan ulit yung sinabi niya, just go back to your system. Mabilis mag-respond yung mga players niya. Dito, we haven't seen the system at all in the first 2 sets, Cheska.
They're too in their heads.
Yeah, that's true. And also credit that to the floor defense as well of the Letran Lady Knights.
Floor defense,
Ayan,
the
oh.
blocking.
That's right. Nitura. Puzon. Over to Doguna. Quick! Lumabas para kay De La Cruz.
I was out. I was too wide for De La Cruz.
Pero intention para kay Royce De La Cruz to target that side. Sobra lang. Arbia to serve. She is the leading scorer of the Lady Pirates. 4 puntos. Makilang! Kanta ng basa, pero may nakaabang. Back row hit from Faith. Nitura. Puzon keeps it up. They bring it to Joanne. Nat. Back to Gia. Popped up by De Guzman. Taguna tries again. Kept alive by Estrelier. Nat. Bumuelo. Oh, dug up. Good exchange here. Kulang sends it long.
That was a better rally though.
Yeah.
Talagang with intention. Every movement from the Lady Pirates was with intention. Kaso talagang sumobra lang yung palo.
That was Jaja Tulang, who is coming off a 23-point performance against Arellano. Could not get it going here. That was dug up by Coach O. It's a point for LPU. That's Doguna getting the check ball.
Yeah. Getting the check ball, medyo they wondered kung may check ba talaga, but yes. Ultimately, umamin na yung players para hindi masayang yung challenge.
Nice dig daw
By Coach O, yeah.
Pati sa sideline may depensa. Nitura. Too strong for Judel.
Yeah. That was a good target though. Good intention. Trying to catch that corner. Napahaba lang ng konti. You know, if I was Nitura, no, talagang mataas naman ako tumalon. I just spike it.
No.
Diba? I'll just risk it. Talagang papatamahin ko na sa kamay.
Yeah.
Maybe mag-check out pa.
Makilang. Wow, what a dig. It's an overpass though. So here comes Letran. Pumalik. Second jump. Doguna scores. LPU is starting to hum here in the second set.
And that's all they needed. Yung floor defense.
Anggan natin si Coach Oliver.
Hindi tayo pwede naghihintay. Okay, look. Yan, you have to keep on moving on defense. Magaang yan eh. Pangalawa, kaya nga nandito siya. Para ito malibit ito dito eh. Hit hard! Babalik sa atin ang bola na magaang.
Sa mga timeout ni Coach O na naging specific siya sa mga instructions niya. This is now a 3-0 round by LPU. And he wants more power on these attacks. Cheska.
More power. Yun nga, tinasabi ni Coach O na easy ball yung mga nakukuha nila eh. Because as we've said earlier, talagang wala pa tayong nakikitang heavy attacks from the Lady Pirates. So para sa kanya, ayaw niya na namamatayin sila ng easy attacks lang. Pero as we say that, Puzon with the ace.
Makes that 4-0 run now for LPU. Puzon, 4th best server in the league after the elimination round. Comes up with it.
Yeah.
Makilang. Oh, what a pop-up by Guzman. Doguna. Selva was there. Nitura, two-handed push. Perfect placement for Nitura.
Wow. Nitura seeing that nobody was there. Getting that easy point.
In the middle of that intense rally, meron ka nakitang kalmadong Judel Nitura.
Yeah. Pero kasi, di ba, usually kapag, ano ka na in the heat of things, in the thick of things, hindi mo na mapapansin yung mga small na bagay na ganyan.
Lalakasan mo na.
She does.
Yeah. Doguna, that snap, by the way, a 4-0 run from LPU. Netura again. Puzon, keeping it up. Estrelier to De La Cruz. Wow. Good reflexes by Puzon. Letran again will attempt. Drop ball for Judel Netura.
Another drop from Netura, and it works.
And the Magnificent Seven. We're
Happy
loving
about
it
that.
here, yeah.
Pero as you can see dito sa kupunan ng Lady Pirates, ang daming tao. Pero walang nag-attempt kunin yung bola.
And Netura in this stretch, is just outsmarting this LPU team. Dito mapipigilan yung binira nila with an error at the service line. 11. Chasing 14 here in the second set. 7 puntos para kay Joan Doguna. Martin.
I was out.
Outside.
Yeah.
And
I was
LPU
wide.
is here. The fans are making noise
Yes.
dahil bumabalik na, nabubuhayan ng Lady Pirates. It is Joan Doguna on her second serve. Nat, back to Martin. Yen Martin, bumawi.
Single block is not enough for Martin. She needs at least 2.
Because this, pinabawi agad ni Estrelier itong si Yen Martin. After an attack error, she scores a point. Letran is back in front by 3. De La Cruz, sobra yung kanyang serve.
That was long for De La Cruz.
This is such an intense match. This is turning out to be an intense match. Osada with 2 so far.
You
She
know,
serves.
more points from Osada is what I'm expecting.
Yeah, totoo.
She's been quiet so far.
Judel, her attempt was deflected. Bio, Estrelier, Martin! Wow! In transition, Yen Martin sends us to our second technical timeout with a 3-point lead for the Lady Knights. In favor of the Letran Lady Knights.
In people's lives. And with this show, I hope that we're able to do that even more.
Definitely, sir.
Sabihin ko na nga, proud ako dun sa... Ginawa niya sa akin kanina eh. Pinaka-proud ako. Hindi, dun sa... Dun sa binanggit
Please be careful.
Dun sa binanggit mo, sa mga binanggit mo. Nag-cover siya ng chess noon. Challenge kay Antonio with Eugene.
Yeah, GM.
Practice na, di ba, ng online chess? Naglalaro.
Guys,
We were doing that online kasi pandemic yun eh.
nag-commentate siya nun virtual
Yes.
Oh, so, mas mahirap yun. Sobrang proud ko kay Anton. That was during the pandemic, we had limited resources back then. Pero, binanggit mo, Anton, that we tell the stories of these different athletes. One of the stories na lumabas mula sa NCAA, Coach Hammer.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko napunta.
Ganda na!
Sa totoo mo, hindi ko alam paano ko napunta rin.
Beautiful segue!
Galing.
Okay.
What a rookie season it has been for this young lady, Gia Makilang. Our number 4 scorer in the league, 149 points, averaging 16.6 points per match, of 133 spikes, 3 blocks, 13 aces. And she's just in her first year in the NCAA. Amazing. Alam mo, kung walang pangalang Angel Habacon sa San Beda, she is a sure in to be Rookie of the Year. Pero paglalabanan pa nila yan.
Yeah. Angel, another rookie na parang hindi rookie. Yeah.
Led.
Ang tapang din eh. Matatapang sila ngayon. Yung mga rookie ngayon, wala nang nerves
That's right.
or anything like that. Talagang pag pinagkakatiwalaan sila ng teammates nila, you know, they produce output.
That's right. Hart Bio, speaking of rookies, one of the rookie middle blockers of Coach Cromwell is producing here. Hart Bio putting it down right here.
That was a good read by Hart Bio.
14, chasing 17 here. Tulang with a sharp serve.
Straight to the libero.
Oh. Oh! Angel Ledesma overcooks it.
Yes, that was a good break for the LPU Lady Pirates na umoutside yung palo.
Not just
Yeah?
straight to the libero, but the number 1 libero in the league. Number 1 in receiving and digging
Yes.
in Laramie Silva.
And
So,
yun yung kailangan mong iwasan. That's why you need to target yung mga serve.
oh, yan sa kanya ulit.
Number 1.
Martin! Oh, nandun si Daguna. Bio again. This time she's checked. Back to Hart! Oh!
Wow! That was a smart play by Hart Bio. Kung hindi mag-work sa front line yung drop ko, di sa dulo na lang. And that's what we're saying. Pagka middle or quicker ang pumapalo, lahat nakapara. Lahat talaga pumu-forward eh.
That's right.
So yung likod, talagang bumubukas eh. Ang daming area na pwede kang pumuntos.
Martin. Guzman was right there. Approaching was Faith de Guzman. Pero binibi niya yun. 18-16. Hindi talaga makalapit ng husto ang LPU. That was the closest they've been in a while.
Now they're 2 points away once again.
Yeah. Better pickup.
That was a good receive.
De Guzman is denied.
Yeah. That was a good block, as usual, by Estrelier. No coverage on the side of the Lady Pirates.
Look at that. That Estrelier, sinarado ang pintuan.
Pulutin nyo na. Masibukan na naman doon. Tingnan nyo muna yung bola mangyayari. Ano bang mangyayari? Dapat nandun tayo sa mangyayari mismo. Naintindihan? Sayang bola pag nandyan na, atakihin, napulot na natin, atakihin na natin. Ha? Walang tapon-tapon. Ha? Go, 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 go.
Solid instructions by Coach Cromwell. Huwag nang magsayang ng mga bola. If you're given a chance, paluin mo. Dolorito returning to this match.
Replacing Faith de Guzman.
They need that firepower. They need her firepower in today's match.
And
hopefully, that time sa bench, you know, nakapag-regroup na siya and she's ready to give it her all.
And she has additional information as well kasi na-observe niya yung galawan ng Letran from that perspective. Makilang! Cross court is good for Gia.
Yeah, that was great target, great execution, cross court. Alam mo, ang ganda ng mga ganung palo, Shola Alvarez yun eh.
Uy!
Yeah.
Ayun oh.
Shola is our cross court queen dun sa NCAA before.
Sobra, para kay Yen Martin. Okay. So this is a window LPU wants to take advantage of.
LPU needs to close that gap because nasa 20s na po ang Lady Knights.
That's right.
Only 5 more points to make to get the second set.
And we know Letran, this is a very good closing team. Makilang.
Wow.
Gia, that is kept alive. Guzman saving it. Ledesma is denied by Pio.
Good read.
Makilang. Somebody touched the net. From LPU, crucial error.
Sayang yun para sa kanila because they were hustling with their floor defense. Kaso sumabit sa net.
Substitution for Letran. It is Ledesma taking a breather. Coming in for her is Kay Almirante. Now, huwag kayo magugulat mamaya pag nag-spike yan. Kargado rin.
That seems to be the story for everybody sa Letran. No?
True. Yeah. Taguna! Too strong.
Ooh.
It is 22-17. Letran.
Oh, they're gonna challenge it. Oh, Letran. And that's very noble talagang
Inamin na.
umamin na. Yeah.
Okay. So, nonetheless, they'll still review it.
Yeah.
And they'll still use the challenge here.
Hindi pwedeng umamin na lang.
Oo nga eh. Hindi pwede.
Yeah, pero that was noble of them. Namin na, oh yeah, check ball. Giving, yung LPU para kompleto pa yung challenge nila.
Yeah. Ito. Meron ba? Meron?
Meron.
Very clear. It went through the pinky of Jidan Natura.
Yes.
No.
Asurahan sa Australia.
Was it Australia? Yeah,
Yeah.
it was Australia.
Kaya namin yun na yung check ball.
Hinahanap ko kung sino yung dalawa yung
Yeah. Australia.
elbow pad eh. 1822, Stacy Lopez.
All masaya suotin yung elbow pads na yan pag
Masaya.
naglalaro ko sa loob. Yeah. Kasi ang sarap mag-dive.
Yun. Oh! Good intention. But the execution was a little bit
Short.
faulty and
Yeah.
short. Yeah.
Pero makikita mo, nabasa din ni Dolorito eh. She was waiting for that one.
Yeah. And that was Lopez sliding
Lopez.
in. Lopez.
Rather, sorry.
So LPU is knocking on the door. Makilang!
That was out!
Outside.
Ooh.
They'll challenge this. Nakita na natin. Oh, yan na. Ang challenge mula sa LPU. Ball in, ball out.
They're challenging it because yung line judge said outside.
Outside, yeah.
Our referee says inside. So, ito na lang. Challenge na lang nila.
So automatic yan. Kapag ka po merong questionable na tawag dito,
Yeah.
na hindi nag-agree yung linesman natin at official,
Yes. And this is very convenient na because that, yung mga naglalaro pa ako ng NC, wala pang ganito.
Wala.
Yeah.
true. Bigyan natin to, Cheska.
That was out.
Oh, inside!
Inside!
Wow, that was very close.
Di ba yung shadow lang yung inside? Oo nga.
Okay.
That was okay. That was out. Very controversial.
And that triggered
Opinion, yeah.
a reaction from the crowd here.
Yeah.
22-19. Letran. Taguna. Breaks through the wall.
Si Coach, nangaagaw.
Oo nga eh.
Nangaagaw na. Kukunin pa sana ng player niya.
Oo nga, no? Si Coach na yung kumuha.
Oh.
Coach, dadive pa si Nat eh. 20-22.
Maybe that's Coach O saying, okay, outside yung kanina.
Pwede. Tulang. Oh, what a dive by Laramie! Oh!
Wow, gulat ako dun. Between their libero blue.
Oh no. Ganda nung dive dito. Out of nowhere, Silva saves it. We gotta see that again. That's why she's the #1 libero so far. And this is Guzman and Puzon. Colliding that time around.
Yes.
23-20.
Blue was already below that ball.
Yes.
Pero hinabol nung setter. And that's why she wanted na siya na lang mag-set.
That's right. Makilang. Over to Tulang. Pop up by Estrelier. Netura. Sent back.
Yeah, straight to the blocker. Natura with the top spin straight to the blocker. Talagang kaya na-block eh. She needed, that nilagay niya ng konting power. Yeah.
Kaya madali yung basa doon ng LPU. LPU is not yet done in the second set. Coach O calls a timeout.
Endgame tayo, dalawa lang yan. Say natin yan.
Hindi ko mabablock o hindi mo didepensan. Kaya importante, we have to be aggressive. Ayaw na ng kalaban eh. Naintindihan? Now, you have too many options. Do you understand? Huwag tayong magmadali sa balikan ng bola para umabot ng maayos. I need the second net.
Hey,
Second net.
Coach O pointing out that they need to play aggressively. So that means pumalo kayo ng pumalo. Because, sabi niya, ayaw na daw ng kalaban.
Correct.
Maybe he's noticing na talagang iba yung nilalaro ng Lady Pirates today.
At
Tamlay.
kapag ka nakakakita ka ng vulnerability na ganyan, yun yung gusto mong atakihin.
Yes.
Diba?
Volleyball, walang mercy.
That's right. Good serve. Martin! Oh, punching it through! And it is set point for Letran. Yen Martin.
Went through the block of Osada.
Unfazed by the blockers in front of her. 24-21 now. Letran threatening to take a 2-0 lead. Osada. De la Cruz. Martin. Dolorito was there. Backs it for two lang. Oh, dive by Estrelier. This is still good. Oh, Puzon. Free ball for Letran. Nat Martin puts it down.
Single block is not enough once again for Martin.
And Letran takes a commanding 2-0 lead in the match. We'll be back after these few reminders. You guys are watching NCAA Season 99 on GTV.